The headquarters for Schluter Systems is located in Iserlohn in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, and is situated on almost 2 acres of land. The company has expanded significantly over the years to accommodate the growing solutions offered for tile installation challenges. Sheen is the product that started it all and marked an entirely new category of products within the tile industry. Our products are produced right here in our state-of-the-art facility. The fully automated systems are designed to immediately assemble shipments of different sizes and can supply large-scale projects with what they need on short notice. Schluter Systems is a global market leader for tiling systems. The company's extensive assortment of specific tiling products provides customers from all over the world with practical solutions for tile. Our products stand for quality, and they are produced at the headquarters. From there, they are shipped to various subsidiaries, customers, or directly to construction sites worldwide. The new Workbox is entirely dedicated to education and offers a broad program of practical seminars for architects, wholesalers, and installers alike. Schluter Systems has always been committed to education and training. We always say, our products cannot be sold, they have to be understood. This building also exhibits our assortment of products such as finishing and LED profiles, drainage channels and drainage systems, uncoupling and waterproofing systems, and various heating solutions. Our products allow maintenance-free and functional solutions for a wide range of assemblies in both interior and exterior areas, all while protecting your tile installation. Schluter Systems values long-term partnerships with our employees, customers, and suppliers. The corporate culture emphasizes trust, independence, and mutual support. International project teams work hand in hand to jointly develop ideas, strategies, and products for the success of the company. Our knowledge, expertise, and thorough understanding of the market allow us to provide innovative solutions and services based on the specific needs of the tile industry.